Assalamu alaikum my friends, how are you? I hope you are all well. Today we will write about 2023 resolution. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of my new video. Point number 1. Drink enough water. Point number 2. Move more, sit less. Point number 3. Make plans to explore and travel. Point number 4. Prioritize eco-friendly choices. Point number 5. Volunteer more often. Point number 6. Adopt an attitude of gratitude. Point number 7. Send handwritten letters. Point number 8. Spend 5 minutes a day cleaning. Point number 9. Call mom, siblings, grandparents more. Point number 10. Pick a time to wake up and stick to it. Point number 11. Develop a skincare routine. Point number 12. Life simply consume less. Point number 13. Be consistent with meal time. Point number 14. Perfect one recipe. Point number 15. Make it your routine to pray 5 times a day. Point number 16. Remember your goals and the big picture. Point number 17. Set a monthly budget. Point number 18. Try something new. Point number 19. Take break more often. Point number 20. Floss every day. Point number 21. Practice intentional breathing. Point number 22. Ditch one bad habit. number 23. Create a bedtime routine. Point number 24. Get in touch with your creative side. Point number 25. Make time for self-care. Thank you for watching for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.